how to change name on Among Us. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Among Us in your mobile device. Now once you get to this interface, if you navigate to your left hand side, there you'll find an option as My Account. Under News, tap on My Account. Now from here again, tap on the first option that says Account. Now once you get to this interface, there you will be able to view your name on account. For me, it's Scalebridge. Now to change it, tap on Change Name button. Now you can change your name from here. Tap on your name. Now if you want to have the default or the auto-generated name, tap on this icon next to your name and it will auto-generate the name for you in Among Us. If you like to go with that, tap on Confirm, or if you like to have your own name, tap on it and then simply clear this name and then type in your name as you want. Once it's on, tap on Confirm and with that your name will be changed in Among Us. So that's the way to change name in Among Us, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.